No, not gonna have it up.
It's gonna be on all four wheels, and I'm not gonna bother you.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be on all four wheels.
Okay. I'll be
Hey.
in a minute.
Hey, Denny, welcome to my vlog. This is Project Stang. Well, in the video prior to this one, I had to rescue her pulley on the AC compressor had seized. And when it did that, it burned the serpentine belt. And your serpentine belt runs your power steering, it runs your water pump, and your alternator. And that power comes off of your crank pulley. So the minute that happened, she pretty much, you're dead in the water. So she was at least able to pull it over to the side. And she gave me a call, and I suspected that's what had happened because if you watch the video prior to last night's video, or the video prior to this one, when I was getting ready to put it on the road, when I started it up, that pulley was making noise. When she went to turn the AC or defrost on, when you turn your defrost on, that automatically kicks on the AC compressor. Well, when she did that, the compressor pulley seized up. This is what I'm doing today. I'm going to swap out the compressor with the 95 and put it on this one. I'm not going to charge it or anything. It's got a good pulley. We're getting ready to purchase a new compressor and a
receiver dryer.
The original problem was the pressure switch for the air conditioning. Now what it does, when it builds up a certain amount of pressure, it turns the compressor off. That's where you feel the on and off of the compressor when you get your AC on. Well, unfortunately that pressure switch is bad, so it would not run. And that's basically the first thing you want to check, is see if that pressure switch is bad. So that's where we're at with the AC on this. And I'm going to go ahead and swap that compressor out so she can drive it. So stay tuned. Okay, here we are. Now, as you can hear, here's your compressor right here. And you got an internal pulley. So when you select your AC or the defrost, this automatically kicks in. It's got a magnetic clutch. And that'll grab and then start spinning. Well, what happens is, if this does not spin, because that's part of your piston system inside your compressor, if that locks up the minute you click your switch, nothing's going to happen. Well, guess what? Now your belt's going to spin. It's going to get hot. And guess what? It's going to snap. So, and snap it did. Clean break. That's a brand new, and that was a brand spanking, pretty much brand spanking new belt. So, you can hear it right now, and the bearings inside that are making noise. So, it's 20, this is a 96. So, you know, you're over 20 years old now, 22 years. If that's the original compressor, it's 22 years old now. So, a lot of you aren't even 22 watching this. So, you know, that's where we're at. And your dryer is this thing back here. This is your pressure switch that goes into it. And
unfortunately, every time you replace a component in your AC system, You will have to replace that dryer and switch.
And you got your clip right there. Pulls it together. And you got another one right here. You've got to have a spring release system. And it's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I've got to pop. I've got to disconnect the back side. It's got a bolt back here. And then pop that. So here we go. And this is the 95, and that is the pressure switch for the 95. Minute this has been exposed to the outside, it's no longer. It's got desiccant in it, I believe. And once the desiccant's been disconnect or been filled, pulley, you're getting those balls on you again. Get out of there. Alright, so what I need to do right now, I gotta disconnect the back of the compressor, and that is a 10. Single bolt. You can see it's already breaking loose. See? And then you got your wiring harness, of course, right here. Bring anything with me. Loosen that. Doggone it. Screwdriver, anything to, let's get that to pick up over that real quick. Good. Oh, there you go. Alright, so that lets that go. And as you can hear, it's quiet. That means the bearings are definitely in good shape.